Well, welcome back. Thank you for being part of us. Thank you for being part of Times TV. We are here every day, all day. As always, as usual, we get you the latest news happening in the entertainment industry. So, right about now, we still have a story we are moving. We still have a story we are looking at. And it's none other than Michael B. Jordan and Harvey breakup story. Yes, you heard us right. And right about now, we are taking you through what social media is saying, the reactions from social media. Everyone is like, Harvey, Lori, Harvey. So, we have seen very many people heartbroken about the news, and others are actually jubilating, especially those that are fans of men that Harvey dated some time back, like Trey Songz, Lewis Hamilton, PDD, and you know, the reactions we are doing first with Tamara. You know, people like Tamara, she said, I know Lori Harvey got the girls flocking to pilots, but let me tell you a secret. Sprinting will help you in every single way possible, no matter your goals. That is Tamara saying so. And other people, some are saying, I need Lori Harvey and Peter Davison to get together. They have been dating everyone except each other. This is quite a little bit sarcastic, but still. Anyway, we still go on. I feel like Michael B. Jordan and Lori Harvey are a right person, wrong time situation. That's a difficult age gap, and when one person is ready, the other person isn't. It can't really affect the relationship. Yes, as you see, the screenshots are rolling. They are rolling. You can as well give your reaction and your thoughts in the comment section. And we really love you. Thank you for being part of us. Thank you for being part of Times TV. We are here, as I said, every day, all day. And why did Michael B. Jordan and Lori Harvey relationship felt like it was way longer than only 1 year? It should be remembered, actually, it should be put in consideration that the two dated for only 1.5 years. Let me leave you to read the screenshots, the following screenshots. Read by yourself. Then, at the end of the day, at the end of the video, you can give us your reaction as well. Keep it times. Don't really go away. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get notified. Enjoy the screenshots.